Here's how to fix Instagram login problems quickly. First, launch open the Instagram app. Make sure you're entering the correct username, email address, or phone number along with the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgotten Password option, then follow the recovery steps. Next, you want to check the internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure a network issue isn't preventing you from logging in. If you're still unable to log in, you want to update Instagram to the latest version. Open up Play Store, tap on the search bar and here search Instagram. If you find the option of updates, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. This should fix any bugs within the app. Now try to log in again. If you're still unable, then the next thing you want to do is clear the app cache. For that, long press on Instagram, tap on the app info option. Here tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. If the issue continues, you want to restart your device and try logging in again. Another fix is to uninstall the Instagram app. Uninstall it, then reinstall it from Play Store. This can resolve corrupted app files that may be causing login issues. If none of these steps work, then check whether Instagram is experiencing a server outage. For that, open up any web browser and go to a reliable website like Down Detector and check. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until the issue is resolved. And that's how you can fix Instagram login problems quickly. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.